Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. On electrical industry, many times I observe that people are not aware of the standard size of cables. Sometimes I see people are asking for 45 square mm of cable, which doesn't exist. And sometimes people also say 65 square mm cable, which also doesn't exist. So today I have come up with a video describing about the standard size of cables. So this list of cable size irrespective of aluminum and copper make. So whenever you are selecting any cable for any kind of load, so you can refer this list. Please do like and share my video and also subscribe my channel, which keeps me motivated to make more videos like this. So now tata, bye bye, till we meet in the next video.